I see hate through the pain, I see light in the rain. Dreams of brighter days, tell me what you're thinking.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a super exciting day because I am actually heading to Iceland and it's gonna be an amazing trip. I have the itinerary all planned out. It's gonna be a 10-day road trip all the way around the island, and we have some exciting things planned. Obviously, we're gonna see all the waterfalls, the lava fields, the ice caves, the whole shebang, okay? And of course, as a girly who loves to relax, we are heading to a lot of the different spas and nature baths and stuff like that. Now, let's head to the airport. Let's go.
Follow me to my favorite tree.
We're in Iceland, the land of fire and ice. We've got our rental car. Whoop whoop. We're gonna head to the Airbnb now. Let's go. We made it to Reykjavik and we are at the Airbnb. I want to do a tour. Over here, you actually got some laundry. Over here, this is the kitchen, living room. There's a sofa bed here. There's a bit of closet space over here. We've got the bathroom, and then in here is the bedroom. We are going on a little food tour today. We're just gonna explore the city, maybe go into some shops, just take it easy for the first day, get used to the new time zone. But I'm super excited to try. Apparently the cinnamon rolls are really good. Second is the lamb stew, or the fish stew, I'm pretty sure. Third is the Icelandic lamb hot dog.
Well, I'm offering a steady hand. I could be your security. There's no guarantee on anything.
We were just wandering and we came about this cool glass house. There's a lot of people photographing us right now. But we got two different cinnamon buns. We got one from Broad & Co. And then we also got one from Tea and Coffee, I'm assuming. So we're gonna see which cinnamon bun you should try if you came to Iceland. So pretty, so yummy. Wow.
Which one is better?
This one's a lot more cinnamony. I think I like the tea and coffee one more. It's more cinnamony. We are now at the iconic church. It's really cool, actually. It's really unique. I would highly recommend even just coming and stopping by. You can go in for free. It was really cool because the organ player was doing her thing. It was really nice. Here she be.
I'll take care of you along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind. And you'll take care of me along the way. My love, one day at a time.
Alright guys, it started raining on us, but we are now trying the iconic Icelandic lamb hot dog.
Best hot dog in the world.
我未咬過。
Alright, we have taken a break to our food tour to grab some groceries for our road trip that starts tomorrow. It's a 10-day road trip around Ring Road. So we're gonna head into Hagkop. We heard it's the Icelandic Target. and we're gonna grab some fun snacks and breakfast and lunch for the road. So let's go. Y'all, I'm crashing so hard, but food tour continues. We're at 3 Coats.
Salmon?
Culinary.
At 6, at 8. No.
Ừ,好味喎！哇哇，之後你又至知，哇，乜嘢？跟住你又知啦。
Okay, this is the fermented shark. It has a very weird aftertaste, very strong. This is the whale sashimi. It was pretty good. I liked it. This is the puffin. It was very yummy. This is horse steak. It tastes like beef. And this was fish soup. Pretty good. All right, guys, the final verdict is only go to 3 Coats if you're an adventurous eater. The fermented shark was a pretty crazy experience. It was very strong of the ammonia. So eat at your own risk. Definitely pray before you eat it. But we're gonna head back to the Airbnb and take a little nap. Hello, I just took a huge nap and then we had to rush out to come to our lava tunnel tour. And so yeah, we're here. We're just waiting for our tour to start and I'm super excited. If you ever want to come to the lava tunnel, by the way, they say that it's 8 degrees colder, so make sure you dress a little bit warmer. I did not know this coming here until we checked in, but luckily I had my carry-on in the back of our car and I had this little fleece in there, so take note of that.
Alright. Here with you in our treetop view. Well, it takes me to when I was young. I fell before, but I can't ignore that it's nothing like I'm falling now. No, it's nothing like I'm falling now. And I'll take care of you along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind.
Guys, that lava tunnel tour was amazing, so unique, so cool. Just make sure to dress warm and you're gonna have a great time. Now we are on our last stop of the food tour. We are trying lobster soup. It's gonna hit the spot because it's cold and raining, so I'm excited. Dinner was delicious. We had that lobster soup and we actually also got some fish skewers. The salmon was really good and I believe the blue link skewer was really good as well. I wasn't sure which type of fish it was, but yeah, we are super full now and we are actually at the Sky Lagoon. We're about to soak and relax for the night.
Take care of me along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Good morning. We are now leaving Reykjavik and we are heading to, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm going to put it here up on the screen, the peninsula up a little bit north, and that's where we're staying tonight. Mom is feeling a bit sick today, but we're praying she's feeling better by tomorrow. All right, we've made it to our first stop of our road trip. We are at Twin Falls and we are about to start I don't know if it's a hike or just a chill walk, but we're about to head over. I'm super excited. It looks beautiful in photos. So, are you guys excited? Yeah! Okay, let's go. Guys, by far, this has been the coolest thing we have seen, and I don't even know what this is. We saw this and we pulled over, but that's a canyon, and you can actually walk into the canyon, and there's like a block of glacier, and that's where this little river, well, you can't see the river from here, but that's where it comes from. So cool, highly recommend.
Show me a way out, give me your side of the story. Throw me a rope here, I've drifted way too far. I see it sometimes behind those kind eyes.
All right, Airbnb number 2 tour. So you go up these stairs. You've got some entryway hooks. Keep going up the stairs, and here we are. We've got a nice dining table, nice kitchen. We're making some tea right now. Here's bedroom number 1, bathroom, washer, maybe it's dryer, not sure. Here's me, and then that's my bed, the sofa bed. Okay, I just want to wrap up the vlog with a little bit of a reflection. So I just wanted to read a passage from Romans. It's Romans 1:19 to 20. It says, "For what can be known about God is plain to them, because God has shown it to them. For his invisible attributes, namely his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly perceived ever since the creation of the world and the things that have been made, so they are without excuse." I love this passage because, like, whenever I sit in front of the ocean, or I look up and see a sky full of stars, or I see an amazing waterfall, or we're in a lava tunnel that was, you know, from an explosion 5,000 years ago, naturally you just think, wow, like, I feel so small, and you just encounter God, regardless if you believe in him or not. It says that through nature, God's eternal power and his divine nature is clearly perceived. And man, like, some of these places in Iceland, especially that waterfall that we just went to, it was beautiful. You really just encounter God's divine nature. Sometimes you look at nature and it just looks like out of this world. It doesn't look real, and you just can't fathom how a place like this exists. And that's exactly how I've been feeling while I've been in Iceland, and it's all because God is good, and he is divine in nature, and he is all powerful. And so I've just been chewing on that. I just wanted to end off the vlog with that little food for thought. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was really fun for me to film this, and we are heading to Kirkjufellsfoss tomorrow, and then we have lots more adventures planned. So if you liked this vlog, go check out my other vlogs if they're up already. If not, then stick around, subscribe, and they're coming soon. But yeah, I really had fun doing this, so I hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to enjoy my tea now and rest, because we're all pretty tired, especially my parents. So yeah, love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.